Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing something new. I've done a food related video like the very beginning. I think it was actually like my second real video on this channel. So today I'm doing something similar. So there's a little backstory as to why I'm doing that today. So about 2 weeks ago, my husband and I went to Jamba Juice and we got the peanut butter chocolate love. Amazing. It was so amazing. It's the best smoothie I've ever had in my entire life. But it was $7. I think we got like a medium, so it, obviously we only got to drink half of it. And since then we've had it 2 more times in the span of 2 weeks. Like I said, amazing, 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 but can't really afford to spend $7 every single time we get it. So I was looking on Pinterest to see if there were any copycat versions of the peanut butter chocolate love, and there was. So I am going to be making one of them today. So I'm going to show you the products that we had to buy. We did have to use something else that we couldn't find in store. We went to Whole Foods and Trader Joe's. This is actually my first time going to either one of those stores, so I have some footage of shopping there today because it was pretty fun. Trader Joe's, I don't know if we went to like a really small version of one because it was really small. There was hardly anything in there. I don't know if that's common. I've heard a lot of people, sorry about my kid, I hear a lot of people rave about it all the time, so I imagined a huge grocery store, so mine might have been very small, but the Whole Foods was really great. So I've got a lot of footage from there. So yeah, so I'm going to show you what we've got real quick, and then we'll get to making it. So here we go. Try samples of cheese with the coffee. How is that not cheese? Oh, that's not cheese, you're right. Whole Foods so far? Is it everything you thought it would be? That's my response too. Hey Sam. Hey Sam. title being peanut butter chocolate love. Obviously you need some peanut butter. So what we got at Trader Joe's is this peanut butter. It said it needed to be a natural peanut butter, so you'll see the oil at the top. We'll have to mix it in a little bit. This was 16 ounces, $5. Pretty expensive in my opinion. So like I said, the original one that we got at Jamba Juice was $7. So just the peanut butter itself to make this is $5. The next thing is organic chocolate milk. There were tons to choose from. I filmed a little bit of it as you saw. This again was $5. Okay, there's also banana. We did not get the banana at either of the stores. We just had bananas at home. And the last thing is the thing that we could not find at either of those stores. Looked it up online. You can get it from like Instacart. You can get it from Amazon. But the ones I was looking at Amazon were very expensive. We actually found the milk version of this, but that doesn't make any sense because it said frozen dessert as an ice cream, and they had milk, so I don't know if we could make our own ice cream of it and just use that because it's a lot cheaper. But we got just regular French vanilla ice cream. I guess it would have been best if we would have done organic. I don't really know what makes the difference between them. Sorry, but I just don't. Just showing you these again because I didn't have good lighting. And then this is Adam's 100% natural peanut butter. The first thing I'm gonna do is do the banana, which is somewhere. Okay, so it calls for half a banana, so I'm gonna do half of the banana. Really it says frozen, but half banana. Next, we'll do that last. Yeah, so next we're gonna do half a cup of chocolate milk. Half a cup of the ice cream. Peanut butter, so see, you can see that it's all oil. Last is ice. First reaction. Cheers. What do you think? I think it's too crunchy. I
don't think it's too crunchy. It's more peanut buttery than the...
Yeah, than the original. So probably less banana. It's only half a banana.
There's less banana in this.
Yeah. So we'll have to tweak it, but this is a good copycat version. Hopefully the ingredients last a little bit longer so we can make more. Because like I said, it's $7 at Jamba Juice, and this cost us like close to $15 for these ingredients. So hopefully it'll last a long time. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.